Hi, my name is Aditya. I'm the CEO of Automaski. Today I'm going to be telling you about Sapphire Orchid, which is a real-time computational fluid dynamics platform, which will be hosted as a SaaS service or which will be deployed on your premises as an enterprise SaaS platform. Now, this is not something that you install on your laptops or workstations and use it for computational fluid dynamics. What you will get is a Python SDK, and the platform operates in a client server architecture. It is real time in the sense that when you submit a job for execution on the HPC cluster or the SaaS platform, it gives you real time feedback, visualizations, and progress as it progresses. Now, I don't have a HPC cluster here, so I can't show you very big demos. I'm going to be showing you a basic demo, and then I will show you around the SDK, what you will get to run on your machine. And you can see in the SDK that there is nothing that is doing the CFD simulations. Everything is happening on the SaaS platform. So let me run this example. This is a cylinder flow problem and the job has been submitted and it will start streaming the results anytime now. So here you can see the progress in terms of percentages and time frames. This is Sapphire Orchid and the problem is cylinder flow, and you can see the velocity x direction and pressure plots here and the calibration scales on the side. Now I'll let it progress for a couple of seconds so that you can see it forming. Now this is happening in real time. It is not happening on the laptop or on the command prompt or which I'm running. What I'm running is a lightweight, thin SDK that is formulating the problem into a language that can be used to define CFD models. This definition of the CFD problem is sent to the SaaS platform, which has an integrated HPC cluster inside it, which is used for serving every user of the enterprise. So this is not a desktop or a workstation based tool, and yet we have made it real time and asynchronous. It asynchronously in real time updates you about the simulation and the status, and it will export the results on the hard disk once it is done, and you can visualize those results later also. So I'll kill this now. It has done 9%. Now this is the SDK. It has nothing. There are some setup and there are some client files and streaming and utils, etc. There is no solver in here. And in the examples folder, we have a very professional industrial grade suite of examples, which are 2D and 3D in nature. And there are two examples of a swimming shark, which is very interesting. So there are more than 30 examples here, which are real life use cases, which you can run and try and learn from and build your models. Now, uh, this SaaS platform is not only real time, it is 100 times faster than all the finite mesh and element methods and mesh method based solvers or mesh free solvers that you would have come across. It can scale to hundreds of times bigger simulations than the current, limitations that people feel. So it is also multi-physics and it is hundreds of times faster. So it scales hundreds of times more. It is hundreds of times faster. It is multi-physics. It is real time, and it is a SaaS-based platform. Now we don't have very large HPC servers. Otherwise, I would have shown you bigger examples. We have a small GPU workstation. That is why I showed you the small example. Now that is all we have for you. And thank you very much. And let us know if we can help you out in any way. Thank you.